As we discussed earlier about the communication, the effects of communication in tech companies, let's discuss about the next step. That is, in the sense, the role in tech collaboration. Okay, so let's have a glance about this here. So, in the tech communication, the cross-functional teams is very important. Okay, that is in the sense it tells about the developers, question answers, designers, and managers. Okay, so this is all the roles which in the team collaboration will be held. And in the next agile and scrum practices, which include stand-ups, sprint planning. Okay, so that is in the sense they in this team, the stand-ups and sprint planning will be held. And in the conflict resolution, clear communication to solve issues. In this team, communication will be clear to solve the issues will be there. So these are all some teams which is going to be in the communication tech. And role in innovation here, it's a knowledge sharing. It's an exchange of ideas. Okay, what are all the ideas we are having very differently in a different manner? These things will be shared very neatly and frequently. And then the brainstorming sessions, diverse perspectives will be made. Okay, so different perspectives by the different methods followed by different persons is being held in the brainstorming sessions. And in the R&D collaboration, documentation and presentations will be held. Okay, so in the R&D collaboration, and what are all the documentations works and all the presentations will be held only in that. The communication tools in tech companies, that is in the sense it consists of email and documentation. Okay, it consists also about the Gmail, Confluence, and Notion. Team message will also be held there, that is in the Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Discord is there. And in the video conferencing, Zoom and Google meetings will be held. And in the project management, Jira, Trello, and Asana. See, these are some tools which will be held in the tech companies. Normally we'll be knowing about Gmail, Confluence, and Zoom meeting, Google Meet, we all know that. But since other things are there like Slack, Trello, Asana, Jira, these are all some other tools which is used for communication in the tech companies. Okay, next in the sense we'll be telling about the challenges in communication. So it tells about the cultural barriers, that is in the sense global teams will be made. Okay, global teams will be made to have a challenge in communication using cultural barriers. Information overload, too many messages. So we'll be not bearing this too much of overload work here. So too many messages will be held and too many messages will be disconnected in the challenges. Remote work issues like lack of face-to-face interaction. So in the challenges of communication mainly is that a lack of face-to-face interaction must be there, but it removes work issues is that it has a lack of face-to-face interaction. And technical jargon is that hard for non-tech staff. So it will be made especially for the persons who is very well in the communication or in the team, but it is very hard for the non-tech staff members. Solutions and best practice for this year. So clear standards will be there. Avoid jargon, use simple language. So to have a solution, we should avoid jargon and you should use simple language. Should not use any hard language, but we should use only simple language. And right tools we should be used. That tools should be matched with the team needs. Okay, without the team needs, it's not they will not good enough to make a solution, right? So for a solution, right tools should be used that should be matched with the team needs. And encourage transparency, that means in the sense share goals and progress. We should be sharing goals and progress to all such things is very essential for that. And for training, communication workshops should be done. Okay, using workshops, all the solutions will be made using and communicating workshops. So feedback culture, we should be open and respectful of what is being shared in communication. In the communication process, we should not say ourselves and we should not hide anything by ourselves. We should be open and respectful to speak anything so that they can be have a good solution over that. Okay, So using these tools, one can develop the main communication language, which is essential for developing the communication skills. Okay, thanks so much.